Hello Taurus and welcome to your weekly love reading. Also Taurians, keep in mind कि ये एक journal reading है, collective reading है. So not every message is going to resonate to your situation. And if you had a calling to click on this video, then these messages are for you. So let's see messages for the sign of Taurus. Let's see messages for the sign of Taurus. Somebody is in denial. Okay. किसी तरह की परेशानी में हैं आप, लेकिन I also see that happiness is going to come your way, peace and acceptance, and bottom of the deck we have denial. So there is energy like in denial and acceptance and all, like runner chaser dynamic. Okay, and in other words we can call it like, might be possible that you are chasing somebody because you have true emotions and feelings for them, and this person is running away from you and they are in denial. They are not accepting their feelings and emotions that they are having for you. However, you want peace and happiness with this person, and you see your peace and happiness with this person. लेकिन मैं आपको किसी किस्म की परेशानी में देख रही हूँ. ठीक है, क्यों? वो परेशानी इसी वजह से है कि ये पर्सन डिनाइल में है. दे आर नॉट फुली ट्रांसपेरेंट अबाउट देयर फीलिंग्स एंड इमोशंस दैट दे हैव फॉर यू. ओके, let's see what else do we have for the sign of Taurus. Let's see what else do we have for the sign of Taurus. Let's see what else do we have for the sign of Taurus. You need to have faith. ठीक है, तो ये किसी ऐसे पर्सन को आप माइंड में रख के ये रीडिंग देख रहे हैं जिनके पास हु इज़ वेरी यू नो with this bitter and sweet energy. This energy comes like wishy-washy energy. Okay, sometimes really good and sometimes like in and out, very in and out. Okay, however आप चाहते हैं कि ये person, you know, like they should accept you, and see that what do we have over here. Acceptance from two different decks. So don't worry, I see a love offer coming your way and somebody will be accepting you. Okay, जिन person ने माजी में आपको reject किया, I see that this person will be coming forward and this person will be giving you an offer and they will say that you need to accept them. Okay, so might be possible कि आप इन person को माजी में chase करते थे and this person was continuously running away from you and this connection, and now this person, I feel like this person is going to come towards you. Okay, and this person will be giving you an offer and you have to accept that offer. So ये आपके हाथ में होगा कि आप उस offer को accept करें या reject करें. But however, the universe is calling to have faith, because happiness is going to come your way. You need to have faith. अगर आपकी विशेष पूरी नहीं हो रही थी या आपकी आपको ऐसे लग रहा था जैसे आपके जज्बात के साथ लोग खेलते हैं, they are very in and out, they are very wishy-washy and they don't give you care, that respect that you expect from them, then I see that somebody will be thinking about you and somebody will be giving you a love offer. Let's see, Taurus. Show me more messages for the sign of Taurus. Show me more messages for the sign of Taurus. Show me more messages for the sign of Taurus. Weekly love reading. This reading is from the 20th till the 26th of January. Weekly love reading. Show me messages for the sign of Taurus. Oh. We have the Star, then we have the King of Swords. Somebody cutted you out from their life. And then we have the Eight of Swords with the Six of Cups. That's very interesting. Eight of Swords with the Six of Cups and Star with the King of Swords. Somebody sees you as their wish come true. However, this person cutted you out from their life. In person ने आपको अपनी ज़िंदगी से बाहर निकाल दिया. The signs you could be dealing with are Aquarius, okay, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, okay, and then we have Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. And bottom of the deck we have 10 of Wands, we have the Knight of Cups and the 6 of Wands. Somebody put you in a competition. Somebody was very in and out, very hot and cold, very wishy-washy, and they put you in competition. However, I see that there's some person will be returning back to your life, and this is a past life person with whom you had an ending. ये वही पर्सन है जिन्होंने आपकी ऑफ़र रिजेक्ट की और ये पर्सन आपकी तरफ वापस आना चाहते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि ये ख़ुद भी अपने कंधों पे बहुत ज़्यादा बर्डन महसूस कर रहे हैं विद द 10 ऑफ वैंड्स एंड विद द 8 ऑफ सॉर्ड्स. आई कैन सी कि ये पर्सन बहुत ज़्यादा डीप पेन में है आफ्टर लूजिंग यू. However, with the star, make a wish, Taurus, and it will come true. Okay, so this person is thinking about making you their wish because they see you as a wish come true. And with the 6 of Cups, there is no more doubt that this person wants you back. This is a past person who is coming back to have a reconciliation with you. And with the Knight of Cups, I see that this person owes you an apology. They know that they were wrong. They know that they were not fully transparent with you, and they had this feeling of impartiality in them. They were not fully open, they were not fully transparent, they were not showing you their true feelings and colors. Might be possible at that if this person is in another relationship right now, this person is feeling the burden and pain of that relationship, with the 8 of Swords and with the 10 of Swords, with the 10 of Wands, sorry. However, I see कि ये person आपकी तरफ दोबारा आएंगे to have a reconciliation with you, and also with the love offer, with the genuine love offer and an apology. Show me this person's energy and feelings towards the Taurus. Show me this person's energies and feelings towards the Taurus. We have Knight of Swords, the Page of Swords. This person is in a separation with you, but this person is keeping tabs on you. Then we have the 5 of Pentacles and we have the 4 of Wands. And bottom of the deck we have Magician, 2 of Pentacles and the 10 of Pentacles. This person is confused after losing you. However, this person is heavily manifesting you, और ये manifest कर रहे हैं to have a communication with you. 5 of Pentacles, ये person आपको बहुत ज़्यादा miss कर रहे हैं because that you were in a runner chaser dynamic with this person. That's clear with the Knight of Swords कि आप इनके साथ एक runner chaser dynamic में थे. Probably you were the one जो इन्हें chase कर रहे थे और ये person continuously they were running away. However, I see कि ये person they are keeping tabs on you, and I also see that this person is planning to have a relationship with you. This person with the 4 of Wands, this is a 11-11 card. Okay, this is also a card of wishes, happiness, joy, expansion, celebrations. So ये कोई ऐसे moments लाना चाहते हैं आप दोनों की life में कि आप दोनों के पास भी there should be reasons to have celebrate. With the Magician, this person is manifesting to have communication with you. This person wants to have a relationship with you. This person wants to give you a commitment offer, but with between the Magician and between the 10 of Pentacles we have the 2 of Pentacles. लेकिन कोई चीज़ है जो जिसकी वजह से ये कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं या जिसकी वजह से ये पीछे हट जाते हैं. और 5 of Pentacles है तो I see कि ये this person is seriously missing you big time. Okay, and 5 of Pentacles, so this person is feeling left out in the cold by you. Show me Taurus feelings towards this person. Show me Taurus feelings towards this person. Five of Cups with the Fool. Then we have the Page of Cups and the High Priestess. You also want to balance out the things with them. You also want a new beginning with them, and you're also missing them. This person is missing you and you are doing vice versa. माइट बी पॉसिबल एज आई टोल्ड यू बिफोर कि ये पर्सन अपने करंट सिचुएशन में या करंट हालात में खुश नहीं है. Again, with between the temperance and between the nine of wands, we have the two of swords. So this person is confused, like something is coming between the two of you. Either this is a person, this is a third party, या ये कोई इनके अपने ईगो इश्यूज हैं या इनके फाइनेंशियल मैटर्स हैं या जो भी, बट समथिंग इज कमिंग बिटवीन द टू ऑफ यू. यहाँ भी ये आपके बारे में डिसीजन लेना चाहते हैं, बट देन अगेन दे आर इन दैट एनर्जी ऑफ कन्फ्यूजन एंड रिग्रेट्स. However, with the page of cups and with the fool, I see a confirm love offer coming your way. And with the nine of wands, this person is thinking about dropping down their guards. With the high priestess, this person somewhat feel that you are also very secretive and you are not fully open as you should be, as they expect you to be. Okay, but however, क्योंकि ये person भी इतने वशी वशी हैं, ये person ने भी आपकी ऑफर रिजेक्ट की और आपके साथ इतना बुरा व्यवहार किया, तो डेफिनेटली आपकी तरफ से भी जो है दैट इज़ अंडरस्टैंडेबल कि आपका ऐसा बिहेवियर और ऐसा रिएक्शन, इनकी जवाबी कार्रवाई आप ऐसी क्यों कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि इन पर्सन ने आपके साथ बहुत गलत किया है. Show me the outcome of the situation. Show me the outcome of the situation. Show me the outcome of the situation. Outcome is bringing love, peace, relationship offer. With the Hierophant, you could be dealing with another Taurus, Knight of Pentacles, then Judgment. And we have Three of Pentacles, and bottom of the deck, Two of Cups, Ace of Wands, very passionate energy, and Ten of Wands. This person is feeling passionate towards you. This person is very physically as well as emotionally attracted to you. And this person is thinking about, there is something about the third party, and this person is thinking about removing the third party, taking a decision about the third party and coming towards you to give you this marriage offer. नाइट ऑफ पेंटिकल्स है, टू ऑफ कप्स है, एस ऑफ वैंड्स है. तो डेफिनेटली ये पर्सन के दिल में आपके लिए इमोशंस हैं, फीलिंग्स हैं. दे फील दैट यू आर देयर सोलमेट, ट्विन फ्लेम, डिवाइन काउंटर पार्ट, डिवाइन मैस्कुलिन, डिवाइन फेमिनिन, एंड देयर इज़ नो डाउट in this thing that this person is thinking about bringing a love offer and a commitment offer your way. And with the Ace of Wands, this person is really feeling passionate towards you. और ये कोई डिसीजन लेना चाहते हैं, ये थर्ड पार्टी से रिलेटेड भी डिसीजन लेना चाहते हैं कि ये उनको एलिमिनेट करें और आपकी तरफ आएँ, क्योंकि इन्हें पता है डेफिनेटली उन्हें एलिमिनेट करने के बाद ही आपकी तरफ आ सकेंगे. दैट दे नो दैट you have an empress energy and you won't take less than what you deserve. You deserve this relationship offer. So Taurus, I will leave this reading over here. Thank you so much. Please hit like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next. Till then, take care and bye.